guys. Today we are going to talk about monetary policy. Monetary policy is one of the most important policies that are being decided by the money controlling authority of the country. Now, when I say the money controlling authority in India, it is RBI. The Reserve Bank of India controls the monetary policy. Now, what is a monetary policy all about? Monetary policy means the policy that governs with the control of money. Now, when I say control of money, now it is very important for us to understand how much to spend, where to spend, and how to maintain the stability of the currency. So it is highly important for all of us to understand monetary policy. So whenever the RBI decides or the RBI finds out that there is a sudden increase of the supply of money or there is a sudden decrease in supply of money, automatically the RBI will try to bring in a monetary policy that controls the flow of currency, the flow of cash in the system. So that is what we call as monetary policy. The monetary policy will always be in tandem in relation to the inflation as well as to the GDP. So whenever there is an increase or decrease of the inflation factors or the economic factors, the monetary policy will also be adjusted according to it. Monetary policy is primarily concerned with the short-term interest rate, the borrowings, exchange of Indian rupee versus the other currencies altogether. So RBI is one of the important and the deciding authority of monetary policy, and in most of the developed countries we will have monetary policy as a separate factor other than the fiscal policy. So it is very important for us to understand this monetary policy and how the rates are being decided by the RBI. Now, monetary policy is also important in terms of helping out in the unemployment rate. The better the monetary policy, lower will be the unemployment rate. Thank you guys for joining me today.